Okay, let's talk about green card right now. Because you know what? We as Jamaicans, we make it bad for ourselves. Yes, I am 47 and I do not want a woman that is not straight. Okay? That is the topic today. And I have my 2 cents for talk about, and we are going to talk about it. All right, so let's read what this man say. I am 47 and me no want no woman when not straight. Before I even start dating a woman who is not from America, I make sure I ask them if they voted in the last election. And if they say no, then I start ask why they don't vote. That is me. Mm, to find if they are citizen or green card holder. If them say they are not citizen or green card holder, I said sorry, but I can't date you. Damn. Jesus. Point blank. Let me tell you something. So many stories, and I'm gonna share this with you. So many stories of women and men. As me I got talk now, when my husband come down to Jamaica married to me, as he was here, we were talking before him left. Him come up here, and he was here for a couple of years, and him decided to come and married to me and me come up and But before that, me talk this on the video where him friends say him never did for come and married to me. I've been here 9 January coming going to be 10 years now, and what we accomplished together, maybe no maybe him couldn't accomplish that by himself. And if I'm with somebody else, I don't know if they would have accomplished that. Because I'm a self driven person and I push myself and I push him too, you know. So I'm the kind of woman who will push my partner, say things, motivate him. Even though I'm my own big man and him make him own decision and him do what he want. But a lot of things I listen to him saying like, he would have rather buy a house at Jamaica than buy one here. Um, you wouldn't want to invest in a house at a foreign, which I do because I live here. I don't live in a Jamaica, not right now. I'm not saying not to buy a house in Jamaica, but we live here instead of keep on paying rent here. Why not buy a house here? Use that money where we are use pay rent and put it into in a property. Even though we live here, if we sell this house right now, the amount the value that this house is right now, the money that we pay for it is like 3 times what we are paying where we get this house. So at the end of the day, you don't lose. You don't lose. So to say this to say that, married, we be together, so you can't throw in the back on people when they have green card. It's not everybody is the same. It's not. Not because you don't have no green card, you have good people out there who don't have green card and mean you well. But on the other hand, you have, I'm going to do another story on this, where people have green card and what caused a lot of relationships to go bad. Me, I go talk about that story there because I've known it. And the things that where people go through for great green card. Me, I go do it. Me, I go talk about it. So, not throwing the towel because them not have green card. It's not everybody like that. And I agree, some of these people are exactly what it is. But you cannot throw in the towel on this because, as I say, when me and my husband combined together, if it was some people, they wouldn't have done that. They wouldn't have accumulated what we have for ourselves. And it's the truth. And when friend they were telling him, say, don't come married to me now. He married and him a live film life with a Jamaican, and guess what? Indeed, he married to a person that never have any papers. But the person was here, if you understand. He married to somebody who never have any papers. So what the difference? Just saying. And now the two of them build a business together. So we don't know for sure everybody on that towel, and that's just my advice on that. On the other hand, some of them are devious and that's all them want. But get time to know people and don't just throw in the towel upon everybody. Trust me. Because you see, me mean good. Me not have no intention. Me not gonna say if my husband decide to do things, me I go sit down and sup it. No. Me not go sit down and sup it. Me not go take certain things from him. Me not go if him decide to do it. Me don't want him already from before me come here. Me want him already from me even there with him. So me not stand for certain things. Certain things don't come to me with it. And yeah, and let me tell you, people will always be people. But at the end of the day, you have good and bad people. And you have good side and bad side to everybody. So you forget to know that person and see if you want to live with that person. And there if them flaws, you can accept them, it better. Me did live with my husband. I did live with my husband when we were boyfriend in Jamaica. For a couple of months before him leave here. 10 months. But we know each other for years at Jamaica. And then me and him did live together and then he left and he come up here. So me get to know who him is. If I somebody where me want to second with. So people, my advice to you, get to know people. Don't rush to give people green card because them they here and them not have them stay. And a lot of them don't want to wait. But it's good when you get to know people. It's sad because people want a green card and they want to get them life on. But sometimes it just seems to you like it's just green card you want. My advice is get time to know people, know them good side and them bad side, and figure it out after that. Later. Bye. Oh, and thank you to everyone who give me those um comments that I can relate to them. And you're gonna learn a lot about me in these videos because a lot of these comments I screenshot them and I'm going to do a video on them, tell you my story about it, or somebody's story that I can share with you. So sometimes I'm going to do content based on those story that you give me in the comment section. And please remember to hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Here, we can sing. Hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Okay, so I'm in the wrong shirt. I really come here, so hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Big up on yourself, Madonna. More blessings and prosperity to all. I wish you know nothing but the best in our life and gonna keep praying because God answer prayer. I'm gonna tell you a little story right here. So a couple of years ago, should I tell you the story? Let me tell you now. A, a couple of years ago, I have prayed for something. God granted to me, like I prayed tonight. Tomorrow morning, God granted to me. God grant that favor to me. When I was in the middle of the favor, I wanted to bail out. I wanted to run. I asked for something, gave it to me, and I wanted to run. And I said, God, why this, that. And then this voice said to me, ask for it. And I gave it to you. You don't expect me to snap my hand, and just fix the problem that you're having. There's way that you can fix the problem that you are having. So you ask me for something for a specific time, and I am granting it to you. That was what come to my head. So I'm just saying this to say that in this life, ask for what you want. Sometimes it might not come the way you want it, but it will come. And God will fix it for you and change it. But you have to stand up in your purpose. Because where I'm going with this, when you ask, it shall be given. And God not give more than what you can bear. So me just a say this out there because it come on my heart. Whatever you are going through, just know that God got you, and you should pray and ask Him for what you want. And as me say, obstacles might come in the middle of it, but sometimes when you're going through that obstacles, because He's getting ready to bless you because you are humble through that obstacles. So do not, and I mean, do not give up on the things them that God have for you. Stay focused, stay positive, and keep a clean and a pure heart towards humanity, towards life, because God is watching you. Peace.